Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be filming for you my December BoxyLuxe unboxing. And this box is huge, so let's just go ahead and get right into it. So, the theme for this month's box is "'Tis the Season." The very first thing that I'm noticing is this right here. This is the Luxie Rose Gold Complete Face Brush Set. And I mean, I've already talked about Luxie brushes in previous videos. I already know that I love them, and I'm gonna be using these today because the next thing that we got is this bad boy right here. This is the Violet Voss Pro Holy Grail eyeshadow palette. This is what the palette looks like, and I'm obsessed with the size of this mirror. This is amazing. And also, these colors are so pretty. I've actually never used a Violet Voss palette before, but I've only heard good things, so let's just go ahead and jump into it. I'm gonna use the Luxie brushes with this eyeshadow palette. And obviously there's a lot of eyeshadow shades in this palette. I'm gonna try my best to use a few of them, but it's gonna be hard to try and get as many colors on my face as I possibly can. So there's this shade right here, and it's called Transition, so like maybe I should use that as a transition shade. So let's just go ahead and do that. Just gonna use the exact same brush. I'm gonna dip into the shade Hashtag, which is a bit of an orangier brown, and I'm just gonna deepen up the crease a bit. I love this color, it's so pretty. And it's super pigmented. Now I'm just gonna take one of my own brushes and dip into the shade Wine Dine, and I'm gonna put that on the outer V. Now I'm gonna take my finger and go into the shade Cranberry Splash, and I'm just gonna put that on the inner part of my lid. I'm gonna take on Fleek and see if I can bring a little bit more brightness to it. Yeah, that's a little bit better. Just has a bit of a brighter shift to it, if you can see. So now I'm gonna go back into the shade Hashtag and just put that all along my lower lash line. All right, now I'm just gonna go into the shade Plouf, and I'm going to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. I'm loving how those eyeshadows are performing. I think that orange and cranberry shade are honestly beautiful and so pigmented. Now just to finish off the eyes, I'm gonna go in with the next item that I received in my box, which is this right here. This is the Lorac Pro Lash Pomade. Gotta love BoxyCharm for always sending mascaras right when I'm about to run out. It's just like they know. This formula is a little bit more wet, so I'm gonna have to go in several times to kind of get the thickness that I want for my lashes. It's just not really coating the lashes very well. Okay, so I'm not a fan of this mascara. I feel like I went in at least 7 times, at least. I stopped recording because I wanted to save myself time from editing coat after coat after coat of mascara, and this is what they look like. There were a few different options for mascara that you could have got in your box, and I wanted this one because I wanted to try it, and I'm pretty disappointed. And on top of that, I found it like very easy to be messy with this. I was trying to put it on my lower lash line, and I got some on my lower lash line, I got some on my lid, and yeah, just not super impressed with that. Just to save this look a little bit, I'm gonna go in with my own mascara off of camera. Moving on. The next item that I have is by Wander Beauty. And this is the Wondrous Dusk to Dawn Blush and Highlighter Palette. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty cute. She's more of a on-the-go kind of palette. We have 2 blush shades and 1 highlighter shade. I'm gonna try going in with the highlight shade, honestly. It looks like it's gonna be too dark on my skin, but I'm gonna do it anyways, and then I'm going to lighten it if I have to with one of my own highlights, and then I will go in with the blushes. I'm gonna take another Luxie brush, and I'm gonna go in to this shade and just apply that to my cheekbones. It's actually not as dark as I thought it was going to be, but you can see when I turn my face, it's fine. But then when I look straight on, you can kind of see like a strip, which is not what you want for highlight. Actually, maybe I will go in with the shade Ploof and try and highlight my cheekbone. I'm gonna go in with the lighter shade of blush, and then if I want it to be a bit deeper, I will take the deeper shade. It's a very shimmery blush, which is pretty. All right, so the last thing that I have to apply to my face is this right here. This is the Tarte Shimmering Lip Paint, and I have it in the shade Strike Gold. Not sure what it smells like, but let's just apply it. The stopper kind of stops a lot of the product from getting on the applicator, so you do have to go in several times to kind of get the opacity that you need. But I mean, like, I don't hate it. It's just like, it doesn't show up as much as I thought it would. So not bad, just like not what I expected. The next thing I have is by Elemis, and this is the Pro Collagen Marine Cream. This is just an anti-wrinkle day cream for fine lines and wrinkles. Thank you, I need this. This is a very expensive product. It's $89 US, so I am looking forward to testing this out because I mean, that's really expensive, and I don't think I've ever owned a face cream that's that expensive. This is what the product looks like. I'm just curious to see how it smells. Smells like a little bit more of a mature smell, but I don't hate it. The next item that we have is by Spongelle. Honestly, I'm not exactly sure if it's a hard G or a soft G, but this is a body wash infused buffer, and it looks like this. It honestly smells amazing. And basically you place the sponge under the water, you squeeze it to absorb the water, and then you massage in a circular motion to cleanse the skin. And this is multi-use, so it's not like a one and done kind of thing. You get more than one use out of it, which is great because honestly, who wants to get something in a box that you use once and then you're like, okay, cool. So the next item is a little bit of a different vibe for BoxyCharm. This is the PYT Mini Hair Straightener. Ooh, I got it in the shade yellow. That's fun. This is freaking tiny, and this was $75. Oh my God. I was thinking of giving this to my mom because she has short hair. I mean, she already has a mini hair straightener. It honestly might work on mine because I have pretty fine hair, so that might work nicely for it. I am hoping to cut my hair a little bit shorter once it grows. I really want to cut it into like a long angled bob, so maybe this would be good to have for when I do that. I don't know, we'll see. I love that I got it in yellow though. I think the options were like blue, green, purple, pink. Didn't know yellow was one of them. But as I said in one of my last videos, I'm loving yellow lately, so this was kind of cute. So the next item is this. This, I guess, is a clutch. Honestly, people were pretty upset that this was one of the products in the box because this is just like this is honestly just a little cheap makeup bag, and it's not, I would never go out in public with this as a clutch. And then I know BoxyCharm tried to make it better by adding in this. This is like a portable charger for your phone, but honestly, if you could feel this, you could buy more expensive feeling chargers at the dollar store. No lie. And on top of that, the charger that it comes with doesn't even work for my phone, so. I mean, I'm just saying, they try to make it better by including the charger in it, and it doesn't even work for me. And like, I would never use this. I'll never use this. I didn't even mention, this is from the brand Crimes of Beauty. And sorry, it's a wristlet. It literally says right here, #BoxyTip. This Glamming F wristlet makes the cutest statement clutch for a GNO or a Sunday brunch. No. No, thank you. This was a cop-out for a beauty product. Like, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? All right, so that actually sums up everything that I got in my December BoxyLuxe. I received 9 items, and the overall value of the box is $386 US, which is a doozy. And honestly, we don't even pay anywhere close to that amount. Overall, I am pleased with the items that I received in my box. I love Luxie brushes. I loved that palette. I'm looking forward to trying out the skincare product that I received and the sponge. There definitely were some things that I was not too crazy about, like obviously the wristlet and that mascara just honestly didn't really work well for me. So overall, not so bad of a box. I do think personally that the September BoxyLuxe was way better. Not only did you get more products, but I just loved the ones that we got in the box even more than these ones. And to be honest, I mean, I know that that one had to be great because it was the first ever BoxyLuxe, but I think to end the year, this one needed to be honestly even bigger and better because it's the end of the year. It's December. You want that box to be like the box. Anyways, those are just my thoughts and opinions on the matter. All right, so that wraps up this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.